Welcome to Tom P. Haney Technical College in Panama City, where hands-on training meets real career opportunity. For more than 50 years, Haney has helped students across Bay County and Northwest Florida build practical skills for in-demand careers. Whether you're finishing high school, moving from military service into civilian work, or ready for a fresh start, there's a path for you here. Haney's programs are built around hands-on learning, shorter timelines that often range from about 6 months to just over 2 years, and training shaped by employer needs. If you love working with tools, systems, and machines, Haney offers strong pathways in aviation airframe and power plant, automotive service, and collision repair that can lead toward careers like aircraft mechanic, auto technician, or collision technician, with training focused on the skills employers expect from day one. You'll also find electrician, HVAC and refrigeration, marine service technologies, welding, and advanced welding, opening doors to work as electricians, HVAC techs, marine technicians, and welders. If your future is in technology, Haney's Computer Systems and Information Technology program can help you build the foundation for IT support and cybersecurity-related roles. Students can work toward respected certifications, and Haney highlights graduates earning CompTIA A+, Network Plus, and Security Plus before stepping into IT jobs. For hands-on service careers, cosmetology develops client-facing skills that can lead to work as a cosmetologist in growing wellness and beauty fields. Haney also offers medical administrative specialist, central sterile processing technology, patient care technician, and practical nursing for students who want to support patients, clinics, and healthcare teams in meaningful ways. Those pathways can lead to careers like medical office specialist and licensed practical nurse, with training that blends technical knowledge, professionalism, and patient-centered care. And if your next step starts with adult education, Haney's GED prep and ESOL options can help you build confidence, qualify for training, and keep moving toward employment. Train for the workforce, not just the classroom. With certification opportunities, career services, and reported average job placement above 87%, Haney helps turn affordable training into real momentum. At Top P. Haney Technical College, your next chapter can start with practical training, real support, and a community that wants to see you succeed. Explore the programs, find the path that fits you, and take your next step toward a meaningful career right here in Panama City and our newest campus in Apalachicola.